Okay, I just wanted to show you a little bit about peer-reviewed journals. So I'm at the library website. You notice I've checked full text because I want to see the whole thing. Peer-reviewed, and it's available in our library. So when I click search, I'll get this thing here, which is showing you a list of the articles that it found. And you would want to look at one of these that says full text. And then I clicked on one and I got this paper. So this one is written in CSE style. It's a peer-reviewed journal, pretty highly related. You have the article. It's got all of the authors here and where they're found. That's what this little superscript tells you, where they work. And here's the information about when it was accepted and submitted and all that good stuff for publication. So that's right here. And then we have the abstract of the article. Nowadays they have these keywords. You can see down here the keywords. And that would help in a web search for this article. It also somewhere... I'm not seeing, oh yeah, it's got that DOI, that link you can put in, and that'll take you right to the article. I forget that what that sounds like. So here's the introduction to this article. Now when you're making a post, you're not going to do all of this. What I am interested in you doing is following the method of citation. And notice if you cite an article like these, for example, this is following the CSE name date style. So its introduction often has lots of citations. We move down through it. Of course, here we're doing a research project, so you've got materials and methods and it's telling you all about it. And then somewhere you're going to have results and all the information there, usually graphs, charts, tables, whatever the data might be. And then here's the discussion where they talk about what they have found. And here is what the reference section looks like. So you might look at Dylan's post from this past week, because he did this just perfectly. Now, the way I'm familiar with seeing this part is calling it literature cited, but here they call it references. So there are going to be little differences in all of these journals. And there's the end. And notice when you look at the citation, this has got the CSE style. Then it's got that permanent link. Like I said, I can't remember what that DOI stands for, but if I click that, it'll go to the article. So that's just an example of writing a paper in CSE style, and that's what you want to do. A couple of things to remember: if you cite an article, it has to go in your references or literature cited. If it's in your literature cited, then it has to be cited in the post. So there's a quick illustration of peer-reviewed work. Primary literature, so the original research.